By now, you've probably received your confirmation email and activated your account with GoDaddy.com. To administer your domain name, visit the GoDaddy.com website and click the Sign In button. Now enter your username and password and click Sign In again. When you're logged into your account, you'll see a few links. The first one is Domains. Expand the Domains menu. Here, you'll see the domains you currently have with GoDaddy.com. You can also see when the domain name expires and if the registration type is public or private. Under the Action heading, you'll see two buttons. Click the Manage DNS button. On this page, we can perform any administrative action relating to our domain name. Under the Domain Details section, we can see our domain name, mywebdevcourse.com. We can see the status of the domain, the date it was created, and when it expires. We can also manually renew the domain by clicking the Renew button. To delete the domain, we can press the Delete button.